Imagine this. It's a quiet day, and suddenly, astronomers catch sight of something. Something out of this world. An interstellar object, 3I Atlas, racing through our solar system at nearly 60 kilometers per second. But here's the twist. In just a few weeks, something unexpected happened. Between September 7th and 15th, this mysterious object grew brighter than anyone could have predicted, breaking all the rules. The brightness shot up, almost as if it were alive, reacting to something in our solar system. No, it's just 2 astronomical units away from the Sun, racing closer with every second. In just a few weeks, everything we thought we knew about 3I Atlas might change. And the real question remains, could this be the first time we see an interstellar object with our own eyes? Stay with me, because this story is just beginning. The countdown has started. Discovered in July of this year, 3I Atlas is an interstellar object unlike any comet or asteroid we have ever seen before. Unlike comets that come from the icy outer regions of our solar system, this one has traveled from deep interstellar space. It is moving at nearly 60 kilometers per second, racing straight into our solar system, and it is not just passing through, it is glowing brighter every day. Its coma, the halo of dust and gas surrounding it, has expanded rapidly, and its brightness is now far beyond what scientists first predicted. At first, astronomers thought it would behave like a normal comet, brightening slowly as it neared the Sun. But instead, it has broken every expectation, becoming brighter than anyone imagined. So the question remains, what exactly is happening to 3I Atlas, and why now? As 3I Atlas races closer to the Sun, strange phenomena are unfolding. Phenomena no scientist can fully explain. Its brightness has surged far beyond predictions. Instead of following the smooth curve astronomers expected, its light spiked dramatically in early September. Its coma, the glowing halo of dust and gas, has expanded at an unusual rate. Observers report that it isn't just larger, but brighter, pulsing with unexpected energy. Recent images reveal an eerie green glow caused by the sudden appearance of molecules like C2 gas, and perhaps most mysterious of all, instead of forming a tail stretching away from the Sun, part of its material seems to point directly toward the Sun itself, an anti-tail. These anomalies defy everything we know about comets, leaving us with a haunting question: what exactly is 3I Atlas? The real drama is only just beginning. 3 critical dates in October will decide the fate of 3I Atlas and perhaps reveal what it truly is. First, October 3rd. On this day, the object will make a close flyby of Mars, just 0.25 astronomical units away. That's about 37 million kilometers. Probes and orbiters around the red planet will turn their instruments toward it, capturing data we cannot see from Earth. Next, October 21st. Superior conjunction. Earth, the Sun, and 3I Atlas will align. From our perspective, it will vanish behind the glare of the Sun, making observations nearly impossible. And finally, the climax. Late October. Between the 29th and 31st perihelion, the moment 3I Atlas reaches its closest approach to the Sun, racing at nearly 68 kilometers per second. Will it crumble under the Sun's heat, or will it flare up into a spectacle bright enough to be seen with the naked eye? These 3 dates form the countdown, and every passing day brings us closer to the answer. The story of interstellar visitors begins in 2017. with Oumuamua, a strange, elongated object shaped like a cigar without a coma, without a tail, and without any of the activity we expect from comets. It slipped through our solar system in silence, leaving more questions than answers. 2 years later came Borisov, discovered in 2019. Unlike Oumuamua, Borisov looked more like a typical comet, with a bright coma and a clear tail. Yet even Borisov carried subtle differences that set it apart from comets born in our solar system. And now, we face 3. I Atlas, the third interstellar visitor. But unlike the 2 before it, this one is rewriting the rules entirely. A brightening far beyond predictions, a glowing green coma, and even a bizarre anti-tail pointing toward the sun. Oumuamua was mysterious. Borisov was unusual. But 3I Atlas may be the strangest of them all. To understand just how unusual 3I Atlas has become, we need to look at the latest observations. Both amateur astronomers and professional observatories have tracked its light curve. The results are undeniable. Instead of following a steady climb, its brightness spiked dramatically in early September. Data from COBS shows a sudden leap, an unexpected jump that left even experts surprised. And then came the images. Stacked photographs from astronomers in Namibia and around the globe revealed something extraordinary. 3I Atlas glows a haunting green. The signature of molecules like C2 gas suddenly flooding its coma. Even stranger. The shape of its tail defies logic. Rather than stretching neatly away from the sun, some of its material seems to point toward it, an anti-tail. Brightness leaps, a glowing green coma, and a tail pointing the wrong way. These are not the signs of an ordinary comet. The question on everyone's mind is simple. Can we actually see 3I Atlas with our own eyes? For now, the answer is no. Its brightness is still far too faint. Even with binoculars, the object remains invisible. To glimpse it, you would need a telescope with at least 6 to 8 inches of aperture equipment used by serious amateur astronomers. And even then, timing is critical. Just after sunset, in the brief window before it sinks into the sun's glare, is the only chance to capture it from Earth. But as it approaches perihelion, there is a chance, however slim, that it could flare brightly enough to be seen with the naked eye. Imagine looking up at the night sky and realizing you are witnessing an interstellar visitor with your own eyes. As strange as 3I Atlas appears, scientists and enthusiasts alike are racing to explain what is happening. The first possibility is simple. It is a comet, an interstellar traveler made of ice and rock, flaring up as the sun's heat rips material from its surface. The second theory is more dramatic. Some believe it may be the shattered remnant of a planet, carrying rare elements that ignite in unusual ways. And then, there is the bold speculation. Could it be something artificial? A probe? A craft? Or even a form of alien technology drifting into our solar system? Most scientists remain cautious. The data suggests a comet-like object, but with properties unlike any we have seen before. One thing is certain, whatever 3I Atlas truly is, it has captured the imagination of our planet. 3I Atlas is not moving through space in isolation. It is flying into a solar system already alive with energy and turmoil. Our sun is approaching its maximum activity cycle, unleashing powerful flares and solar storms that ripple across the planets. These eruptions blast plasma and radiation into space, and 3I Atlas is flying straight into this storm. Scientists believe the sun's activity could shape its coma alter its brightness, and even tear fragments from its nucleus. And beyond the Sun, the inner solar system is crowded with other comets, Swan, Lemon, and more, all moving under the same forces in this cosmic storm. 3. I Atlas is not just another visitor. It has become part of a greater dance, one that may reveal secrets not only about itself, but about the universe we live in. As 3I Atlas streaks toward the Sun, its mysteries are only deepening. A comet that brightens too quickly, a green coma pulsing with strange molecules, an anti-tail pointing the wrong way. And now, 3 dates in October: October 3rd, October 21st, and perihelion at the end of the month will decide what happens next. Will 3I Atlas shatter into fragments, or will it blaze brightly enough for us to see with the naked eye? This is the countdown, and every day brings us closer to the answer. So, what do you think? How bright will 3I Atlas become at perihelion? Leave your prediction in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, share it with friends, and subscribe to the channel, because this cosmic story is far from over.